The era of the search bar is officially over. In 2026, if you're still scrolling through page after page of blue links just to find an answer, you're already behind. We've entered the age of autonomous agents. These aren't just chatbots like the early days of ChatGPT. These are digital employees that can actually control your browser, book your flights, and conduct deep research while you sleep. Today, I'm showing you the top 3 AI agents that are making Google obsolete. First up, Comet. Unlike traditional search engines, Comet doesn't just give you links, it executes. Need to plan a trip? Comet goes to Expedia, compare prices, and drafts the itinerary in your calendar automatically. Next is OpenAI's Operator. This is a true action agent. It can navigate complex websites, fill out forms, and even handle your online shopping. It's the difference between asking for a recipe and having a digital chef order the ingredients. Finally, we have Deep Research by ChatGPT. It spends 10 minutes scanning thousands of sources to give you a 20-page cited report on any topic. No ads, no SEO fluff, just the truth. The question isn't if AI will replace search. It's when you will make the switch. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve in the AI revolution.